So am I free to go? So why am I not free to go? If she just said she got a bond,
Pardon?
why am I not free to go? Why do I gotta serve time when I'm not even?
You have a bond on the case, ma'am.
So when I was arrested, I wasn't actually told my rights. So ain't that against the law?
I cannot.
You can't do nothing about it right now?
I
All right, I just want to state that. I just want to state it. Okay.
stated.
It's on record, right? Okay.
Do you want a jury trial or not?
It doesn't matter.
You have to make a decision, ma'am.
It could have a jury. Fine. That's fine with me.
This entitled defendant came into court yelling at Judge Simpson, demanding to be released, even though she was arrested for assault. The attitude was unreal. She talked like the law didn't apply to her at all. Meanwhile, Judge Simpson stayed calm and patient when most judges would have shut it down instantly. Do you think she deserves to walk free? Or did she earn exactly where she's at? Let's watch.
Good morning, Assistant Public Defender Lauren Attorney on behalf, well, not on behalf of Ms. Brown. We are the attorney of record on this case. When I did meet with Ms. Brown, she informed me she wants to represent herself.
Your name?
Alexis Brown.
All right. Is that correct that you want to represent yourself?
Yes, it is.
So in this matter, Ms. Brown, I do have to inform you that the complaint in this case alleges that on or about June 8, 2024, the location of 3001 Woodland Hills Drive in Pittsfield, Washtenaw County, State of Michigan, that you did commit the offense of assault and or assault and battery against a Latasha Browning. Do you understand what you're charged with?
Yes, I do.
That is a misdemeanor punishable by 93 days in jail, $500 fine plus court costs. Do you understand the maximum penalties?
Yes, I do.
There are certain things that are fraught in self-representation in terms of understanding the Michigan court rules and in terms of the court procedure. You would need to understand that if you would like to represent yourself, that you would be held to the same standard as any other attorney.
Mm-hmm.
The court will not be assisting you in any fashion whatsoever. You understand that?
Okay, so the time that I served, don't that counts for the 93 days?
I'm sorry?
The time that I served already, don't that counts for the 93 days?
I don't know how much time you.
I served 30 days already.
And if you serve 30 days, it may count. I'm trying to look at what your bond is on this case. What do you have a bond?
And then no contact with the victim's loan.
And the monetary amount?
5,000,
10%, then it should count. Yes, ma'am.
And so I have a question. So when I was arrested, I wasn't actually told my rights. So ain't that against the law that you wasn't told your rights when you arrested me? Well, not you, but the officer.
I cannot.
You can't do nothing about it right now?
All
right, I just want to state that.
I can't answer that.
I just want to state it.
All right.
Okay.
Stated.
It's on record, right?
So
okay.
What do we?
I don't understand people like this. If you're facing an assault charge, yelling at a judge is the worst move you can make. That's not confidence. It's entitlement. Thinking you can break the law and scream your way out of consequences shows a complete disconnect from reality. What's scary is how common this attitude has become. That's why Judge Simpson stands out. Calm, patient, and firm when it matters. Let me know if you think entitlement like this is getting worse or we're just seeing it more now.
What do you want this set for, ma'am?
Your Honor, we have no offer at this time.
Do you want it set for a trial, ma'am?
Sure, I guess. I guess.
You want a jury trial or a non-jury trial?
It doesn't really matter.
Well, you've got to make a decision, ma'am.
If it got to go to trial, then it got to go to trial.
Okay. Do you want a jury trial or not?
It doesn't matter.
You have to make a decision, ma'am.
It could have a jury. Fine. That's fine with me.
Jury final settlement conference in this matter will be set for 17th, 2025 at 9 a.m. Jury selection in this matter, October 20th, 2025 at 8:30. Both of those proceedings are in person.
So am I free to go? So why am I not free to go? If she just said she got a bond.
Pardon?
Why am I not free to go? Why do I gotta serve time when I'm not even?
You have a bond on the case, ma'am.
So if I get my money, I can get out.
If you
But she just said it was no bond.
post bond, you can get out.
So I'd rather post bond. So where do I go from here?
You need to post the bond.
Okay, what's the bond? Because you just asked her the same thing. Because she said
5%.
it's $500.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so I'd rather post bond. Where do I go from there?
And you can go post bond.
Okay, thank you.
It's your fault, parenting. Your fault. You just like suckered me into that. You got up there and then just said, well, we're the attorney of record, but
Oh, we're starting off the morning with a series of bad decisions already. This is wonderful.
yeah, I know, but they're all by Kearney. The whole
That's-
McDonald's thing and then this. And
This-
I can't wait for this trial because if this hearing was any preview, it's going to be a mess. Honestly, I think she's doing the full 90 days. Her attitude alone made this painful to watch, and Judge Simpson showed unreal patience dealing with her. What really stood out was her blaming everyone but herself, even glaring at her former lawyer like he put her in jail. Cases like this show why courts can't bend just because someone is loud or entitled. So what do you think? Does she deserve the 90 days or should she get another chance?
I cannot wait for this Brat's trial date, because if this hearing was any indication, the main event is going to be pure courtroom comedy. And my guess, I think she's gonna do those 90 days, no question. If anybody in that jury has a brain, they're gonna give her the full sentence here. But yeah, she did 30 days, so technically it'll be 2 months in jail, but either way, any single day that this lady spends outside of society is a better day. And honestly, even if she somehow dodges a sentence, her attitude alone made this hearing honestly just so painful to sit through, so I'm sorry to you guys. And like I said, Judge Simpson is one of the most patient judges around, so I really don't know how he held it together against this lady. But I don't know if you guys call it that, but what really cracked me up was when she glared at her previous lawyer when she walked out. Like she was the reason she ended up behind bars. Newsflash of this chick, I mean, you literally assaulted somebody, the lawyer didn't, so cases like this really just do highlight why the justice system can't bend just because somebody yells loud enough. If we let people like her off the hook, the courtroom turns into a playground for the entitled. So let me ask you guys, do you think she deserves those 90 days? Or should she get another shot at freedom? You know, maybe she's having a bad day. I don't think so, but let me know what you guys think. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Take care.